Hello, buddy. Notice I'm going to start a tooth carving on permanent maxillary central incisor. That is most important, more important on this point of view. Before going to start this carving, everyone should draw long axis of the wax block. Why? Because that is most important in tooth carving. As we know, the incisor apical length of the tooth is at a straighter line. Okay, so draw the straight line and join it properly. Okay, then you mark cervical incisor length of the crown, that is 10.5. So you measure 10 and mark it and put your finger on one side and put it and mark it. Then length of the root is 13. Make it almost 13. Now here it is 13. So I have marked the cervical incisal length of crown, which is 10.5, and length of the root is 13 mm. So it is not ideally correct, but it is equivalent to the measurement what is given in the textbook. Now I am going to measure the mesiodistal dimension of the crown, which is 8.5 mm. So you can take it as almost 9. So if this is the midline, make it 4.5 and 4.5 as 9. And the mesiodistal dimension of the crown and cervix is 7 mm, which I will measure and mark it at cervical line as 1. Okay. Then I'll join these two dots and make a trapezoid outline. Labially, the outline of the crown is trapezoid in nature. Then you extend this line incisally. Carefully you hold it on left hand, put a finger grip and use modified pen grasp and remove this extrawax. Carefully you remove extrawax incisally. Extend this line, cervical incisor length of the crown, mesially and distally, and lingually. Later on, mark it as LA, LI. You decide mesial and distal later on. You see very carefully, while using on mesiodistal dimension, I put my carver as straight, whereas in case of mesial and distal, I put in as a bevel, slightly tangential. You can use the opposite side, which is more helpful to remove extra wax. Now you remove the on the other side. Now it is almost trapezoid. You can see trapezoid outline. Okay, and it is almost same, and you can see the same structure on lingual aspect. Now it is pretty clear that I am going to do two more things, that is crown convexity and maintaining proper dimension and maintaining proper crest of curvature. We know crest of curvature of permanent maxillary central incisor is seen at cervical 1/3. So the procedure is like this. You start from cervical line, put proper finger grip, grasp and use the blade in straight axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use your left hand to rotate half side. Now you can build the crest of curvature. You divide the crown in as cervical 1/3, middle 1/3 and incisal 1/3. At cervical 1/3, you put slight pressure towards cervical line and give a small ditch. And put your blade and pull it. So it is almost done. You can see crest of curvature. This is called crest of curvature. Okay, and you can see crown convexity. Now I am going to build the crown lingual convergence. This one is done on opposite side, lingual side, lingual aspect. Draw and V-shaped notch or V-shaped groove. Okay, like this. Now remove this extra wax with the help of Carve. Now it is almost clear that you can see a convergence which is called lingual convergence. Okay, now to maintain this with proper design, holding the wax plug properly with proper finger grip, grasp and position of a cover makes difference in ideal carving. Now it is pretty clear that I have removed extra wax on mesial and distal aspect and prepare the crown to make lingual convergence. Now equally you remove labially as well as lingually to make it as 7. I know it is pretty difficult to make it 7, but you can make it up to 9, no worry. So almost done. Now you can see trapezoid outline, crown convexity, rest of curvature, and maintaining almost equal length of labiolingual diameter, which is 7 or 8. Now divide the crown as cervical, middle and incisal, and at cervical level you put a marking and prepare an outline, that is concave or convex surface, and at the midline you put your finger carefully, put your blade as slightly beveled and cut it and prepare concave or convex surface. Can you see this concave or convex surface? This is called concave and this is convex. We have carved the crown part of permanent maxillary central incisor. Let us proceed the root in my next video. Thank you.